Hey guys, I am going crazy over here. My plan was to start this with my TV off. So let's do what I've been wanting to do for a very long time.
For your retirement, you wanted to celebrate the little things before they get too big. And that is why you invest. The best returns aren't just measured in dollars. TD Ameritrade.
Anyway. So, here. Let me just finish my eyeliner. I am going to show you guys how to do this thing that I like to do. And, where is it? Well, I don't know. I left it. No, it must be here. Oh, no, it's there. So, I felt so bad. This is the all May. And, yes, this is what I was going to show you. Turning your eyes blue tutorial. These are the two shades on the brush. And so, I am not using a mirror, but it's okay, because I already did this. I started it. And this is just so easy. I have teal and that almond shade. Okay.